This video will show you how to remove the stock catback exhaust on all 2020 and newer 6.6 liter Silverado 2500.
All right, first thing we want to do before we take the stock system off is we're going to come up to our flange in the front. We just want to help lubricate them so it just eases the uninstall. All right, now we can take our nuts off of our flange. We're going to grab our ratchet with our extension and 15mm socket. All right, we just got to take our exhaust off the hangers now, so we're going to grab our exhaust hanger tool and take them off the isolators. All right, now before we take off our last hanger, we're going to support our exhaust with a pull jack, just so it doesn't fall down when we take that last hanger off.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Silverado, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.